Welcome to the CNC Web Solutions video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we're going to cover basic Joomla edits, including the main menu and your pages. So let's get started. What you see in front of you is a basic Joomla website. On the left hand here, we have a menu, and on the right side, we have the content. So if we click on Joomla Overview link, we see the content for that link. Click on Joomla License, we see the content for that link. So let's start by making a new page. To make a new page in Joomla, you have to go to the administrator section of the website. The administrator section of the website is going to be your website name / administrator. And once you type that in, it takes you to the administration section of your website. You log in with your username and your password. Hit login. And you're logged into the administrator section of Joomla. From here you can do all kinds of things, but for this tutorial we're only going to cover the menu items and the pages. So to create a new page, we're going to go to Content on the top left, the navigation here, and we're going to choose Article Manager. The Article Manager is going to contain all the pages in your website. In Joomla, a new page is called an article. So we go to Article Manager, and from here you'll see all the different articles or pages that we have in our website. So we want to create a new one, so we want to go over to find the icon on the top right with the green circle with the plus sign here. It says new. We click that, and it takes you to this article new page. From here we give the page a name. We'll call it my new test page. For the alias, you can leave that blank. If you leave it blank, it'll give it the same name as the title. Section, you'll choose uncategorized. We're not going to cover sections or category today. Publish, you can leave that default. That never changes. You want to publish it. Front page, no. Typically you never change anything over here. So alright, so we got a title. We got a section uncategorized. Now we can create our content for our page. This is a WYSIWYG editor. Just like Microsoft Word or Microsoft Works, you can come in here and type in whatever you want. So we'll call this my new test page content. And you got bold, italics, underlines, just all the basic tools you're used to within Microsoft Word or any Word editor, text editor. So once we have a title, a section, and content, we're ready to save the page. That's all we need. Those three things are the requirements. So we hit save. And now you'll see my new test page is listed under the article manager. We've just created a new page. Alright, so let's go back to our page, refresh it, and you'll notice nothing changed. That's because we made a new page, but we didn't create a link to that page. So right now the page is there, but nobody can access it, nobody can see it. For somebody to be able to see the page, we need to create a new menu item. To do that, you go back to the administrator section of your website. Then you go to Menu on the top left, then you go to Main Menu, and this shows you all the menu links you have in your main menu. Home, Joomla Overview, Joomla License, etc. Go back to our website, that's what we see. Home, Joomla Overview, Joomla License, etc. So that's our menu. So just like the article manager, we're going to create a new menu item the same way. Click on that green circle with the white plus sign and the word new. And then you're always going to choose the menu type of articles, and then article layout under article. So for every new page you create, it's going to be articles, article, article layout. We'll give our link a name. This is a link that people are going to see that they click on, so make sure you give it a name that's short but also descriptive. So we're going to call it my test page. So it has a name. Now we're going to give it a article to link to. And we're going to choose the one we just made, my new test page. So now we have my new test page link, and we have it linking to this page. That's all we need. We hit save. Now you see under menu item manager we have all of our articles, and then we have my test page. So if we go back to our website and hit refresh, you'll now see we created a link called My Test Page, and when you click it, says my new test page. My new test page content. This is the title we gave it. This is the content we gave it. This stuff here, written by admin, the timestamp, and these options here over on the right are probably not on your website. They're typically removed and only really needed if your site's a blog site. So typically you won't have those. You'll just have a title on top and the content. But that's all it is to creating a new menu item and page content. That was pretty simple. So now let's expand upon this. We'll go back into the administrator section. We'll go back to Content Article Manager, which shows all of our pages we have. We'll go back to our new page we just created, my new test page. And now what we're going to do is create a new image. We can throw an image on the page. To add the new image, we'll go to Image down here at the very bottom left. Click on Image. And what you see is a directory within the Joomla site that contains all your site's images right now. So if you see the image you want, you can click on your image and hit Insert, and it'll throw it on the page for you. If your image is not there, you need to add it there. So to add it, you go to Browse on the bottom left there, Browse. You go to the folder that your images are in, and just browse through anywhere you keep your images, and you choose an image, and then you hit Start Upload, and it's going to upload it to this section. I just uploaded my logo, so the logo is there. So we click that, we hit Insert, and we just added our logo. So now we have an image on the page. So we'll save this. We'll go to back to our website. We'll refresh, and now we have an image on our website. That was pretty simple. Go back to the administrator section, my test page, and you can move stuff around. If you're familiar with HTML, you can create tables and do more advanced formatting with it. But that's pretty simple. We created a new article. We created a new menu item. We created a new page. We put a picture on the page. That's really all there is to it. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us anytime at cncwebsolutions.com.